Hoo. What are we about to do? Yeah. It's Big Hurtem, so y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe. What's up, world? It's your boy Big Hurt back in the kitchen once again, coming at y'all with a new video. So I know everybody getting ready for the Super Bowl today, on Super Bowl Sunday. So I'm finna show y'all a couple of a dip that I didn't actually come up with it. I first heard about it and tasted it from my niece over there at Sea Squad, and y'all go check them out. I'm gonna put their name on the screen right here. Sea Squad, that's my niece's. But yeah, here go the ingredients. We're gonna jump into it today. And if y'all haven't already joined the fam, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the fam. Yeah, but today we're gonna be using some marinara sauce, some mozzarella cheese, some of the Jimmy Dean's, meat lovers, meat crumbles, and some pepperonis, and 4 blocks of cream cheese. And I'm finna get everything out, open up and everything, and we finna get it started. Be back in a few. All right, y'all, now we finna get started mixing this thing up. I got all my cream cheese open, and it's supposed to be softened, you know what I'm saying, so you can work with it better. But I had just took mine out of the refrigerator, so I cheated a little bit. I stuck it in the oven and softened it up to where I need it to be so I can work with it. But first off, we're going in with our marinara sauce. And I'm sorry, y'all, I don't have no measurements. You just go by what you think. And I just used half of this jar. I hope y'all can see that good. I just used half of that jar. And we're gonna get the mixing. This fan is kind of hot still. On my towel. So you just mix this up pretty good with the marinara sauce. Sorry about that train, y'all, if y'all can hear that noise in the background. Sorry about that train. I live close by railroad tracks. And that's good enough mixing right there for right now. So now we're gonna go in with our pepperonis. Mini pepperonis. I'm glad I found the minis this time, so I won't have to be cutting up the regular size pepperoni. And once again, with these, there's no measurement. You just go with what you think, how you think you would like it. And shout out to my niece, Serenity Bush, for showing this dish to me, introducing me to this dish. That's all I'm gonna put for right now. So the pepperoni. And with these crumbles, I might do the whole bag. Let me let y'all see that. Hope y'all can see it. Jimmy Dean's, meat lovers. And it's already fully cooked. So all you gotta do is add it in here. And yeah, we're going in the oven. So I might not need the whole bag. I need almost the whole bag though. Now, my mozzarella cheese. Mozzarilla. Once again, reiterating, you put as much as you want. Make it your own. There's no certain way that you have to do this. And that's with cooking, period. There's no certain way you have to do anything. You can always make a dish your own. So how you like it and how you want it to taste, the flavors you want, the textures you want, and everything. You do it your way. You don't have to go exactly by a recipe. Y'all remember that when you cook. Make it your own. That's what I always like to do. Now we're finna mix all this up. Try to without making a mess. We're gonna get all this mixed up, y'all, because I don't even want to bore y'all. And then we're going in a preheated 350 oven. An oven preheated on 350 for maybe about 10 or 15 minutes just to melt the cheese and stuff up real good. All right, we'll be back in a sec. All right, guys, this is how it's looking. I got everything all mixed up. That's how it's looking. We're going in the oven right now. The oven is on 350. And we're going in for like 10 to 15 minutes just to get all the cheese and stuff melted and everything heated through. And we'll be back to show you the finished product. Yeah. And there you have it, guys. Some good old pizza dip. Some ooey gooey, cheesy, meaty pizza dip. And this is the end of the video, so y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, tell me how I do. And y'all fix this for y'all family, your homies or your homettes. Anybody coming over to watch the game or anything like that, or if you're staying at home by yourself, make it for yourself. And big hurt on the checkout. Yeah.